Yeah, everyone, Chapter 9, Marketing Possessives. You should look at these videos because they could help you pass this course and make you understand exactly what are possessives. Let's look at possessives in the workplace. Right, so possessives, well, possess, to own, to have, right? So possessive words indicate ownership. The apostrophe is used to show possessive case. Don't ask me this question 1,000 times. It's right here. I will answer it certainly because I am an answer of questions, but here it is, right? Apostrophe used to show possessive case. A possessive word is a noun and usually followed by another noun. Here are a couple of examples. Company's product, singular. Shopper's demands, plural. As you can see where the apostrophe is, when it's plural, there's an S at the end. Apostrophe comes after the S. Singular, most cases, we'll see how there's different rules to this. They will come in between the word and the S, as you see there. This doesn't change. Here is rule 9.1, singular and plural nouns. Form the possessive case of a regular singular noun that does not end in S by adding an apostrophe plus the S, like we just saw right now. So the rule also applies to plural nouns that do not end in S. This is critical in possessives. I will repeat. This rule, 9.1, also applies to plural nouns that do not end in S. Here are examples. Child, singular, child's toy. Children, plural, without an S at the end, children's toys. Right? Very important rule in the English language. Rule 9.2, singular nouns. Form the possessive case of a singular noun that ends in S by adding only an apostrophe. However, if an additional syllable is pronounced after the S, then add an apostrophe plus S. Here are the examples. Business, businesses, apostrophe S. Jones, Joneses, apostrophe S. Singular additional syllable pronounced, right? You got that? Business, businesses, profit. Jones, Jones request. That's rule 9.2. Here comes flying in 9.3, plural nouns. Form the possessive case of a plural noun that ends in S or ES by adding an apostrophe after the S. Simple as that. Just an apostrophe. Clients is plural. S is the last letter in that word, so there's an apostrophe after it. Companies is plural, ends with an S, the apostrophe comes after the S, right? Clients, complaints, companies, employees. Plural, that's rule 9.3. Here we go, 9.4. If the compound noun does not end in S, add an apostrophe plus an S to end of the word. Form the possessive of a compound noun that ends in S by adding only an apostrophe. Here we go. Singular, mother-in-law's gift. You only put it at the end. You don't put mothers, ins, laws, right? You think it's mothers, but it's not. This is, when you have this, this is one word. Mother-in-law's, the S goes here. Vice presidents, right? Vice is really an adjective, right? So vice presidents, if it's considered to be a word, always at the end, S apostrophe right there. Note, to perform the plural possessive of a hyphenated compound noun, first form the plural. These are compound nouns, right? Not necessarily, like I mentioned, tricking you there. This is not an adjective, right? Good job. Good. So, to form the plural possessive of a hyphenated compound noun, first form the plural, right? So here, sisters, plural, sisters-in-laws, right? So sisters is plural. In-laws is the possessive. Sisters-in-laws, gifts. That means you have one more than sister giving a sister-in-law giving you a gift. That's a lot of sister-in-laws. All right. Coffee's good. So here we go. This is 9.5. To show, this is joint ownership. To show joint ownership of the same thing by two or more persons, add an apostrophe plus an S to the last person's name. If the name ends in S, add only an apostrophe. Okay? You do not put the apostrophe S or the possessive on both. If you would put, here's the correct way. Carmen and Rosa's boutique shop. Both women own the shop. Frank and James company. James is the name, right? That's the name. So the apostrophe goes after the S. Here, if you would put Carmen's and Rosa's boutique shop, this is wrong. Frank's and James company, this is wrong. Only the last one. Rule 9.5. 9.6. Individual ownership. For individual ownerships, add an apostrophe plus S after each of the names. Lisa's and Mario's pet shops are located in malls. Each shop owned separately, right? These are individual. Lisa's and Mario's pet shops are located in malls, right? If you really want to show parallelism here, you would say Lisa's pet shop and Mario's pet shops both are located in malls. That would be better written than what you have here. Lisa's and Mario's pet shops are located in malls. This is not wrong, but it's far from being parallel. Each shop owned separately. This is rule 9.6. Here we go. Lots of rules here. Nine 9.7 personal pronouns. Do not use apostrophes in the possessive form of personal pronouns. Right? Here we go. His, hers, yours, ours, theirs, its. Right? Its is a contraction meaning it is. Some of you have made that mistake, or some of you will make that mistake in the future. Be very attentive to that. It's like there and there, right? Its is a contraction meaning it is. Do not use apostrophes in the possessive form of personal pronouns like you got here. Persons. His, hers, yours, ours, theirs, its. No apostrophe. Simple rule, hardly followed. 9.8. Last rule of the nines. That should be 9.9, but we don't have one. We're stopping at 9.8. So 9.8, indefinite pronouns. Some indefinite pronouns have regular possessive forms. Regular possessive forms means apostrophe S. That is regular possessive form, apostrophe S. So if a question comes up, what is regular possessive form? It's yes. Remember that one. There just might be a question on there somewhere along the way in your future, wherever that is. I wish you the best. All right, so let's repeat to finish off 9.8. Some indefinite pronouns have regular possessive forms. One's, others, and anybody's. Possessive form, regular possessive form, apostrophe S. Use apostrophe for possessive abbreviations is rule 9.9. I tricked you there. I thought you said there was 9.8. Yes, we have 9.9 on the same slide just to trick everybody and maybe misleading them. Do we have 9.10? Going once? Twice? I will find out in a couple of seconds. So 9.9, use apostrophe for possessive abbreviations. FDICs, CODs, HMOs, right? RRSPs, as we saw before. All that is abbreviated needs a regular possessive form, is Rule 9.9. All right, drum roll, please. Is there a 9.10? No. We stop at 9.9. So, possessive case review. Directions. Change the following phrases into possessives. Yes, you have the answers right there. Can't trick you. You won't have the answers on exams in the future. So please do this. You can pause the screen and also do all the exercise that were given to you because you will need to. Possessives are not that easy. Thank you for your attention on Chapter 9. Take care.